Good morning, Brian. All right, here's the last of them, not the least of them. Sorry I missed yesterday, but we had all kinds of things pop up. All right, you can see it's nice and dry in there. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Right on up there. All righty, take another look, see? Still nice and dry, no leaks. All right, run it through a couple times. Run it through real slow. No stumble. All right, look at some numbers here. Idle RPM, 700. Looking good. Fuel pressure, about a little more than 3.75. Vacuum, showing a good solid 19. Alrighty then. I think you're gonna like this one. Alright. Hold it up.